Hey guys, this is Ray back with another video, so let's get started. So as we all have heard the rumors, OnePlus 9 is expected to ship this spring, but one very important thing most people missed out on was the charging speeds. So OnePlus has had impressive charging speeds in the past, like in the OnePlus 8 Pro, which had 30-watt wireless charging. It was extremely fast. But now rumors are suggesting that OnePlus is expected to raise the bar by introducing 45-watt wireless charging, which will then make it one of the fastest wirelessly charging phone in the world. Companies like Apple offer only 20-watt wired charging, so this is going to be crazy fast. Wired charging is expected to be the same at 65 watts, which is also incredible. But these crazy fast speeds also come at a cost and raise a very important question, that is about battery health. As wireless charging already produces a lot of heat, which degrades the battery quicker over time, and 45-watt charging is only expected to degrade it even more. OnePlus will also have to replace their previous wireless charger of 30 watts and make it 45 watts, and they will probably have to install stronger fans to cool the phone and the charger. I hope they install some new kind of technology to prevent the battery from degrading, or this will cause a lot of problems over time, and many people tend to use their phones for 2 to 4 years, so this is something to keep in mind. That's all for this video guys. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please tell us how can we improve our content in the comment section below.